So here I've built an LM1875 amplifier, but in the feedback circuit on one of the resistors I've used a heat sensitive polyfuse. So when we heat it up, its resistance increases and the gain falls. So let's get the hot air gun out and we'll warm him up a little bit and we'll see what happens. And the audio is getting quieter and quieter. Quieter and quieter and quieter as it heats up. Hopefully you can hear that the audio is quite dim now. And if we take the heat source away, very, very gradually the audio starts returning to its original volume. Give it a bit of a blow to help it. And now it's pretty much back to how it was before.